Hey everybody, welcome back to the shop. 10 more minutes. Thunderchief building action. Without the drama. Alright. Let's see now. Where are we now? Okay. I got this all. I had to do a little sanding on this to get it fitting a little better. And it's looking good. So now what I want to do, flip it over, and put me some tape down here so I don't damage my plug with the hot glue gun. So we can kind of tack glue it around and we know for sure we ain't gonna damage our plug. Someone asked me if they could use a balsa wood model for a plug. And nope, no how, no way. No, man, sure you can. I would glass it, and if you're just going to make it for a plug, and you know it's never going to fly, I would glass it heavy and hard, man. I would make that thing just like I make these. I'd put, depending on how big the model is, you know, if it's decent size, say 60 size or bigger, I would put a couple layers of 10-ounce cloth on it. Because you're going to have to buy some 10-ounce anyway to do your molding with. So I would use 10-ounce cloth and just do it like I do these styrofoam ones, you know. Build it up. You want to use a couple layers of 10-ounce so it's real firm. That's your best plugs. Now I know you can actually mold a monocoated plank. You know, it really don't matter. Your monocoat, you know, it's just going to be softer. You just got to be more careful with it. But I've seen it done. You know, I've never did it myself, but my first GB, remember, it was all wood, and I molded it. Didn't have any problems at all. Now I got to get that right there to put me some glue on it. Right there's where we want that. So let's go ahead and get the old hot glue gun and get busy. But if you just wanted to take your balsa wood plug, or, you know, plain, and turn it into a dedicated plug, that's what I'd do. I'd put a couple layers of 10-ounce on it, and sand her smooth. You know, start your priming, and then put all your panel lines on it. Do it just like I did these, you know. Here's the picky part, this corner right here. You have to get that just right, you know. Touching that hot glue, man. Glue's hot. Okay. It's right where I want it. Almost. There we go. That's perfect. See all this leading edge, it ain't important, just this corner right here needs to hit just right. The rest of this, you know, you can be a little flexible with. Really drop the glue right there. Very cool. Drop on there and let it go. Okay, let's let that cool for a second.